All set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Maypan by the rail. My Promise, Rain Shower on the outside. And Divine, Run the Dance, Getting Better is bringing up the rear. It's still entry number 1, Maypan leading the field, followed by My Promise in second, Divine, and Rain Shower on the farther outside. Moving up on the inside, entry number 4, Run the Dance, and Getting Better. The mid-back stretch, it is still Maypan by 2.5 lengths, followed by Run the Dance and My Promise on the outside, Divine, Rain Shower on the farther outside, Getting Better. Rounding the far turn, it is still Maypan in the lead. It's Maypan, Run the Dance, My Promise, moving up on the outside, Rain Shower, Divine in between horses, and Getting Better. The last bend for home is still Maypan, and moving up now on the outside is Rain Shower. It is now Rain Shower on the outside, Divine in between horses, Run the Dance moving up on the inside. In between is entry number 1, Maypan, and Getting Better moving up now. But it's still Rain Shower, the favorite in the lead, followed by Run the Dance. On the outside is Divine, Maypan. And finally at the payoff line, it's a cinch for Rain Shower, Divine, Run the Dance.
5-4 ang ating unofficial order para